So let's find the sine, cosine, tangent of the 30 degrees and 60 degrees angles. So here we have a right angle triangle, and here we have 30 degrees, 60 degrees angle, and here we have side A, side B, the hypotenuse. And let's divide here in the half, and here we're gonna have 30 degrees, and here we have 30 degrees, and here we have 60, and then here we have 100, 180. So if here it's 30 and here is 30, these sides are equal. Like we divide the b, so let's name it like this: b1 and b2. So if here is b1, also here b1. So let's divide this one the half, and I'm gonna have half of hypotenuse and half of hypotenuse. Let's organize in this triangle. Now I'm gonna organize like this: 30 degrees, 6 degrees, 6 degrees, 6 degrees, and here the right angle. This is the bigger triangle: A, hypotenuse, and B1 plus B2. So let's write first this triangle for the side of the angle, the opposite side of 30. We have B2, 30, B2. For the 60, we have A. For the hypotenuse, we're gonna have B1. And for this one, let us represent this triangle on this triangle. So the 30, we're gonna have, let's call C1. So for the 60, let's find 60. Here we have the 60. We're gonna hypotenuse half. And for the 90 degrees, you're gonna have B1. Oh, if this triangle are B1 and the hypotenuse in this one are B1, so we're gonna have these triangles are the same size of this one. So we don't need a C1, right here, C1, place of C1, you're gonna have B2. And if these are equal, same size, so A have this value as right here of hypotenuse. So now we could erase this one to find the sine. The opposite side is half of the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse in the hypotenuse, and you're gonna have this. You could move this, and sine of 30 it's half, and cosine of 60 it's the same value of the sine of 30. So let's find the cosine of the 30 degrees angle. So the cosine of 30, it is the adjacent side of 30, B1 plus B2, so we divide by the hypotenuse. There is the same of the smallest triangle of the adjacent side, half of hypotenuse, so we divide by the hypotenuse of the smallest triangle, that is B1. So at this point we're gonna have to use the sine of 30 that we find previously. It's 1.5, and now you're gonna use the smallest triangle. The smallest triangle, the sine is B2, so B divided by B1. So we have that B1 is 2 B2, but we want the value of B2, so B2 is a half of B1. See? So let's replace in here. Let's make this sum. B1 plus B2, it is B1 plus a half B2, that is 2. So we can place in here. Let's return from this point. So B1 plus B2, it is and let's cut this with this and then find so we find the hypotenuse edges. So we return to here and use the more simple equality that we find. We're gonna use this. So using this B1, but we know that the value of the hypotenuse, it is the roof of B1 and the same and here. So the cosine of 30 is the cosine of 30 is the roof of 3 divided by 2, and this is also the sine of 60, and the tangent of 30, it is, I say that is, you put the sine subdivided by the cosine, that is the same, that you put the side of the opposite side subdivided by the adjacent side, and you're gonna have this multiplying this. You can't have a roof in the denominator, so multiply the roof, and you're gonna have 3. So this is the tangent of 30 and the tangent of 60. The tangent of 6 is the same of ta-da! So you're gonna have this. And it is this. So let's multiply by a roof of 3 again. I'm gonna have 3, and 3, and 3. So here is the tangent of the 60.